Hello students, so today we are going to study science chapter number 7, importance of vitamins and minerals. So open your textbook page number 217, textbook page number 217, chapter number 7, importance of vitamins and minerals. Okay, so student, first tell me, from where do we get vitamins and minerals? So we get vitamins and minerals from the food that we eat. We get vitamins and minerals from the food that we eat regularly. Okay, so let's see. In your textbook, see, there are having some pictures. Personal hygiene plus balanced diet plus exercise is equal to healthy life. Okay, means you have to take personal hygiene, means wash your hand after and before eating your food. Okay, take a bath. This is a personal hygiene. Balanced diet means what? Take proper food, then do exercise regularly. So is equal to, you will get healthy life. Do you agree for these? Are you doing this? Yes, you have to do this. Okay, you have to do this. So it is equal to healthy life. So student, in this chapter we are going to study about the importance of food and importance of vitamins and minerals that we get from the food. So student, let's see in your textbook, food gives us energy. Okay, why we are eating food every day? Because we get energy from food. That's why we are eating food every day. Our body needs food to build and repair tissues. And why we are eating food? To build and repair tissues. And to get energy, we are eating food every day. Our diet should supply us with correct amounts of essential nutrients and as carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals, along with water and roughage. So student, the food that we are eating every day, so from that food we get carbohydrate, fats, minerals, proteins and roughage and the water. Correct student? And these all these nutrients are very important for our body. Okay, so from why? Because from these nutrients our body get energy to do work. So for this purpose we have to eat proper and balanced food. See, if you are eating pizza, burger, pizza, burger, vada pav, samosa, see, these are unhealthy food, and from this food we didn't get any nutrients, any important nutrients. Okay, so these are unhealthy food, and we should avoid to eat this food, because the food that we are eating daily, from this food we are getting nutrients like carbohydrates, fat, proteins, vitamins, minerals, water and roughage, and these nutrients are very important these nutrients are very important for repairing and build tissues of our body. So we have to eat only healthy food. So student, tell me, what are the nutrients? So tell me the name of the nutrients. Carbohydrates, proteins, fat, minerals, vitamins. These are the 5 main nutrients that we are getting from the healthy food. So then see the next point. A diet that contains the correct amount of the necessary nutrients, water and roughage is called balanced diet. So what is meant by balanced diet? A diet that contains the correct amount of the necessary nutrients, water and roughage is diet. This is called balanced diet. So what is meant by balanced diet? Means जो फूड हम खाते हैं उससे हमें न्यूट्रिएंट्स मिलने चाहिए. कौन से? उनसे हमें कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स, फैट्स, प्रोटीन, मिनरल्स, विटामिन, ये 5 न्यूट्रिएंट्स मिलने चाहिए. एंड वाटर एंड roughage also we will get from that food. So this food is called, or this diet is called balanced diet. So vitamins and minerals are nutrients needed in small quantities by our body. Okay, So vitamin and minerals are the also important nutrients, and they are importance our body importance to our body in a very small quantities. So let's see about the importance of vitamins and minerals. So student, our next point is need to take in vitamins and minerals. Need to take in vitamins and minerals. Our body needs vitamins to boost our immune system. Okay. So nowadays you are listening. If they are having a pandemic situation in whole world, means pandemic means corona virus is there in the whole world. So in every ad we are listening, you have to improve your immunity power, means immunity system or immunity power. Okay, so for to increase our immunity power, we have to take in vitamin food. Okay, vitamin based food, because vitamins boost our immunity power or immune system. Because so vitamin boost or vitamin increase our immunity system or immunity power, and fight against diseases. Our body cannot, however, prepare vitamins on its own. But our body cannot prepare vitamins its own. So for most of the vitamins, we depend on the food we eat. So from where do we get vitamins? So we get we get vitamins from the food that we eat, and vitamins are very important to our body to increase or to boost our immunity power or immunity system. Okay, because that immune system it fight against the diseases. Okay, so student, turn the page. So each mineral has student. So for this, what you have to do? You have to eat healthy food to get vitamin, improve our immunity system, and to fight against diseases, different types of diseases. Okay, so you have to eat only healthy food. So the next is, each mineral has a role in making our body function well. For example, calcium makes our teeth and bones strong. So see, like vitamins, minerals are also very important to our body. So calcium makes our teeth and bones strong. So calcium is also one type of mineral that is present in our teeth and in our bones. Okay, so calcium makes our teeth and bones strong. And iron help in the formation of blood. So iron is IRON. Iron is also a mineral, and it helps in the formation of blood. Minerals are already present in our body. See, vitamins are not present in our body, that we are taking from food that we eat, but minerals already present in our body. But they get used up, but we have to use that minerals. Hence minerals must be replenished as they are used up. Okay, so student, vitamins and minerals fight against diseases and protect us. Therefore, food containing vitamins and minerals is called protective food. So student, so vitamins and minerals are very important to our body, and they are fight against diseases and protect to our body. Okay, therefore the food containing vitamins and minerals, that food are called protective food. Okay, so the food containing, so this food में विटामिन एंड मिनरल्स होते हैं, उस फूड को क्या बोलते हैं? प्रोटेक्टिव फूड. एंड मिनरल्स एंड विटामिन, दे आर हेल्प to fight against different types of diseases and protect to our body. So we have to compulsory eat healthy food, means fruits. Mostly you have to eat fruit, because many vitamins we are getting from the different fruits. Okay, so student, see, nowadays everywhere only corona patients cases are there. So we have to protect us from that disease. For this, we have to eat healthy food, okay, and we have to improve our immunity power to fight against corona or COVID disease. So student, regularly eat one food. You have to compulsory eat one food to fight against this disease, okay. And in next video we are going to study about kinds of vitamins, kinds of means what? Different types of vitamins. So student, again I will tell you, eat only healthy food, okay. So then again we will meet in our next video and read the topic again and complete your homework. Thank you student.